today we'll be building another sample model with our new Arckit Cityscape. And to get the formalities out of the way, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you can leave them down in the comments section below, or feel free to email me. My information will be in the description. So to start off, I have all of the pieces of the kit laid out in front of me. We have our floor plates right here. So this is like the base of our city. We have our roof toppers here. We have our traditional floor plates. We have our clear floor plates here, and then our other roof and landscape features over here, and also roads. So to get started, we're going to be building a small sample model. So let's take two of our floor plates right here, and let's come up with a floor plan. So I'm not really sure what to build. We're just going to be kind of doing a free build, improvising along the way. And so feel free to come up with your own suggestions. You don't have to follow everything that I'm doing at the moment. So let's go ahead and place a three-piece right here. Let me zoom in so you're able to see a little bit better. And there we go. Alright, so what I'm thinking is that we'll have kind of a zigzag road right there. Let's go ahead and place a two-piece right here to get that. Let's go ahead and place a three-piece along here and make sure that's locked in. And let's go and put a piece right here. So far we have this. Looks pretty good. Alright, so let's get another building right here. So we'll have a total of 4 structures to play around with. Let's go ahead and build our road. So we'll have a road right here, there'll be an intersection, we'll have another road right here, we have an intersection here, and then another road along this edge. So let's use our purple tiles right here. Go ahead and place the road down, all that pavement. Alright, we'll come along to right here and place like that. So far I have this. We got a big H. Alright, so we'll go to our other intersection right here and start paving our way down. Alright, so we'll be having this in the end. So there's 2 pieces right here. Let's go ahead and make that landscape. So we'll have 2 little green courtyards, just like that. Alright, looks good so far. So let's get a 3-piece clear, place it along this edge right here, build it up to the first story, and we'll go ahead and cap it off with a solid piece to get that. Looks pretty awesome. Alright, this building, let's do the same thing. Get a 3-piece clear, this building along the end, 3-piece clear, 3-piece clear again, and a 2-piece clear to cap that off. So let's go ahead and bring all of those to the second floor. So 3-piece solid, 3-piece solid, 3-piece solid, and 2-piece solid. So we have this. Alright, everything's 2 stories high now. Let me view the other view. Alright, looks pretty good so far. I'm thinking we could do something pretty awesome and have these 2 buildings right here linked together. So let's go ahead and do that probably around the 5th story. So we'll prep for that. And let's go ahead and place a 2-piece glass there, 1-piece clear there, 2-piece clear, 1-piece clear. So these are now raised up. Let's go ahead and do 3-piece, and we have a couple more 3-pieces, so 3-piece there also. So we have 2 rectangular structures here highlighting this really awesome building we have relatively planned in the middle. Alright, so let's go ahead and bring this up one level. I'm thinking we could have this as also an elevated courtyard. So we'll go take our green landscape piece, place that right there to prep that. We'll make this pretty much square. So we'll go and put our 2-piece clear there. And let's go ahead and top it off with 2s. So I alternated them a little bit to give some extra strength. And for this side right here, we can't forget about this guy. Let's go ahead and place a piece like this. We'll alternate and put another green patch on this side. So these two are alternating, and also these two right here are pretty much alternating. So let's go ahead and raise this by 1. And I think we're almost ready for the bridge. So let's go ahead and take 2-piece clear, place it on top. 2-piece clear right here, place it on top. We only need a 3-piece for the bridge. So 3-piece solid, place it on top. So we got that so far. Pretty awesome. Looks like a pretty nice complex to work at. Alright, take 1-piece solid there. 1-piece solid directly across. Get this Z shape, elevated Z right there. And let's go ahead and with these two, let's go ahead and already flat roof it. So those two are done. Alright, let's give this guy some work. I'm thinking we could do kind of what we did in our previous model, or maybe the model before that. I'm losing track. And let's go ahead and place 2 clear 1 tiles, 2 solid 1 tiles, 2 clear 1 tiles, and let's go ahead and place a green courtyard across. And then do we have any more 3 pieces? Yeah, we have 1 more 3-piece, and we can place that over that. So create a really nice green courtyard right there, and give a pretty interesting looking building so far, if I do say so myself. Alright, I think for this building it would be nice if we can go at least 1 more level. Let's go put 2-piece clear right there, 1-piece, and we'll do 2-piece solid, 1-piece solid. Alright, so this building is pretty much done. Let's go ahead and finish that off. I'm thinking this would look really nice with, yeah, so we have our orange pieces right here. We have our centerpiece. Let's go ahead and put 2 ends on either side to get that. Awesome. Absolutely fantastic. Alright, so this guy has been left out, so let's give this guy some attention. I'm thinking we could start terracing this one. You probably know by now, I really like terracing. So let's go ahead and place that there. So 2-piece clear, 2-piece solid. Right next to it, let's go ahead and put a green piece for a courtyard. And we have 3 sections, so let's go ahead and place 1 there, 1 there, so 1-piece clear, 2 of them, 2-piece solid on top, and yeah, I think we are done with this building, so let's go ahead and cap this with our really awesome green pieces right here for our roof. So that looks awesome too. Alright, so center building, our focus point. We gotta make this good. Alright, so we got this Z shape. Is there anything that we could do more? We have 1 solid piece here. I'm thinking we can make a yeah, let's do that. So you got 1 solid, or one clear right here, 1, let's go ahead and put 2 solid right there, make that bridge a little bit thicker, and then on top of it we'll place a 2-piece right there. Alright, so give it a little bit of a modern aesthetic to it. And let's go ahead and place a green space on top of the bridge. get that sustainable height going along. And for roofing this, let's go ahead and raise it by 1. And we haven't used this piece yet, but this is the orange pointed gable. Let's go ahead and stack that right there. And right here, let's place the other courtyard. Well, that looks pretty awesome. And right here, we can go ahead and place we have a shallow pink piece, like a light rose pastel. So place that right there. And right next to it, let's go ahead and do the same thing. So we'll get another shallow angle rose pastel to get this building right here. Wow, looks pretty good. I'm gonna zoom out so you can see a little bit. Alright, so here is our model. Feel free to change it up a little bit and use your ideas, things like that. If you guys are building models and would like to send me your creations, feel free. I always love seeing what you guys built and seeing your support. So there we go, Arckit Cityscape, model number 3. Thank you guys for watching. This was a really fun session. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe learned a few things along the way. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you next time.